friends, happy first day of spring. We had been counting down how many days until spring during calendar time for a really long time, and it's finally here. Today's March 19th. So happy first day of spring. I hope that you're enjoying your break. I miss you guys so much. And I have our flowers here that we put in water yesterday. So yesterday, we put our flowers in 3 different kinds of water. So our first was just regular water, and then we put some red food coloring in the water of this flower. And then we put some blue food coloring in the water of this flower. And everyone sent me some awesome predictions, and it was also really interesting because all of our predictions were the same. So everyone made the same prediction about what they thought was going to happen to our 3 different flowers. So we're going to go through everyone's predictions, and we're going to see who's correct. So for our first one, I'll just do our one that was in regular water. So our predictions for regular water was that the flower will stay the same, or it will stay white. That's what all of my friends said. And you guys were correct, look. The flower is still white. And I had to cut the stems of our flowers because they kept falling out of the water, so them being shorter has nothing to do with the water that they were in. I just had to cut them. So we're just gonna look at the flowers. So the flower in this one is white. And you guys were all correct, it didn't change at all. So now we'll move on to our one that is in red water. The water is really red. You can see right through it. It's almost looking a little bit pink. So everyone's prediction for the red water was that it will turn the flower red. So everyone had that prediction. So let's look at it. Let's see if we were correct. It looks like we were correct. Look, our flower is red, especially on the top of the petal. You can see kind of like lines around the petals is red. You can kind of see a pattern with that. It's a little bit pink, but I think that if we left it in the water for more than 24 hours, it would turn it really red. So you can see that it sucked up the water and it turned its petals red. And then the last flower that we have was in blue water. So we have our blue water. Our blue water got very dark. It's a lot darker than when we first put it in. And our predictions for the blue water was that it will turn the flower blue. That was everyone's prediction. And it looks like we were correct. You have to look really close at this one because it's kind of a light blue, but it's still blue. And if you look at the petals on the ends, it kind of has the same similar pattern as this red one. Look, it's darker on the ends of the petals, and you can kind of see the pattern with that. So you can see it right there. You guys made some awesome predictions, and everyone's predictions were correct, which is awesome. I hope that you enjoyed this science lesson, and we'll be back again tomorrow for another one. Have a great first day of spring, and I miss you guys all so much. See you guys tomorrow.